Hi everyone, Alejandro here with Autel Robotics. In this video, we will cover the autonomous flight feature, Orbit. Welcome to the flight deck. Take your skills to the next level by harnessing the power of Orbit. This feature allows you to capture unique shots quickly and easily. To begin, we will need to power on Evo, the remote controller, and be connected to the Autel Explorer app. Now let's head to the Intelligent Flight menu and select Orbit. A new window will appear on the right with multiple options to set up an orbit. By default, the first option will select the location of the aircraft as the point of interest, or POI. Let's explore our other options by selecting the menu icon in the top right of the new window. Here, I can choose how I want to set up my point of interest. I can choose the first option, Aircraft Location. This requires you to fly the aircraft manually to your point of interest. Once in place, tap the blue button or use the A button on the back of the remote controller. Then fly the aircraft manually to adjust the radius of the orbit. The maximum distance for an orbit is 328 feet, and the minimum distance is 33 feet. If we tap on the aircraft location, a few more options will appear. You can choose My Location, which will set the point of interest based off of your GPS signal on your mobile device. From here, we can change the radius and choose a direction. Then press the blue button to begin the orbit. If you set a radius that is greater than the distance between your aircraft and your point of interest, the aircraft will move backwards, so please be aware of your surroundings. The next option is called Point on Map. From here, I can tap on my map view to set up my point of interest. Once we set the point of interest, the next screen will allow us to adjust the radius, altitude, and flight direction. Let's not forget that during an orbit, you will still have command on the remote controller. You can tap on how to use the command sticks to learn more. Here we can see how each command stick will behave during the orbit. By combining this autonomous flight mode with stick movement, you can achieve a complex and dynamic shot easily. At any point during the orbit, you can always short press the pause button to pause the flight, or you can long press the pause button to cancel the orbit. You can also find a pause and stop button near the top of the Autel Explorer app. Orbit provides easy controls, but always remember to be aware of your surroundings and give yourself plenty of space to clear any objects in your way. Thanks for watching, and so long from the flight deck.